In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Google Sheets vertical bar. How to generate Google Sheet formula with AI vertical bar. AI formula generator. Start by opening Google Sheets and going into a spreadsheet. It can be a new untitled sheet or an existing one. The main idea is that you will be working inside a normal grid of cells, the same way you would for any spreadsheet task. Next, click into a cell where you want the AI-generated result to appear. Once that cell is active, type the word highlight. This is simply to place some text in the sheet so you can clearly see where you are working and confirm that you are editing the correct cell. Now look for the Gemini feature in Google Sheets. You will see an option that says it can summarize, categorize, or generate text tailored to your data, and it may be labeled as experimental. Click that option to open the AI tools connected to your spreadsheet. This is the entry point that lets you use AI directly within Sheets instead of switching to a separate app. Once you are in the AI area, click where you can enter a formula and select the option that starts with $AI torticidi. This is important because it signals that you are using an AI function, similar to how you would use functions like sum or if in a normal spreadsheet. Then click on AI to confirm you are using the AI function. After that, click into the prompt area that contains the example text. In this case, it reads, "Write a thank you email and personalize it to the specific gift that was received," and it references a range like A2, C2. This shows how AI can pull context from your sheet data. The range is what the AI can use as input, so when your data changes, the output can update based on the new values. Next, click on Examples. This helps you see more sample prompts and patterns, which is useful when you are learning how to phrase requests clearly. Then go back to your selected cell and type in Highlight again, keeping your focus on the cell you are working in. Finally, click on the highlighted area once more to confirm your selection and make sure the correct cell is active before you proceed with any additional work. That covers everything you need to know.